Hello, welcome to Math. In this class, we want to find the value of s from this given nice equation 2 raised to power s plus 4 raised to power s plus 8 raised to power s is equal to 39. Solution: 2 raised to power s plus 4 raised to power s plus 8 raised to power s is equal to 39. And this is 2 raised to power s plus this can be written as 2 squared to the power of s plus this is 2 raised to power 3 to the power of s is equal to 39. If you have a raised to power n to the power of m, this is equal to a raised to power m to the power of n. Then here is 2 raised to power s plus 2 raised to power s squared plus 2 raised to power s raised to power 3 is equal to 39. Let 2 raised to power s is equal to y. Then here is y plus y squared plus y raised to power 3 is equal to 39. And here is y plus y squared plus y raised to power 3 minus 39 equal to 0. Let's rearrange this. This is y raised to power 3 plus y squared plus y minus 39 equal to 0. Now 39 is 27 plus 12. Then minus 39 is equal to minus 27 minus 12. Let's substitute. We have y raised to power 3 plus y squared plus y minus 27 minus 12 equal to 0. Then 27 is 3 raised to power 3. Now we have y raised to power 3 plus y squared plus y minus 3 raised to power 3 minus 12 is equal to 0. So this is y raised to power 3 minus 3 raised to power 3 plus y squared plus y minus 12 is equal to 0. Minus 12 is also minus 9 minus 3, and this is minus 3 squared minus 3. So let's substitute. This can be written as y raised to power 3 minus 3 raised to power 3 plus y squared minus 3 squared plus y minus 3 is equal to 0. If you have a raised to power 3 minus b raised to power 3, this is equal to a minus b bracket a squared plus ab plus b squared. Then we have y minus 3 bracket y squared plus 3y plus 3 squared plus y plus 3 bracket y minus 3 plus y minus 3 is equal to 0. We can see that y minus 3 is common. Let's bring it out. We have y minus 3 bracket y squared plus 3y plus 9 plus y plus 3 plus 1 is equal to 0. Then this is y minus 3 bracket y square plus 4y plus 13 equal to 0. There are two cases here. The first case is y minus 3 equal to 0, or y square plus 4y plus 13 equal to 0. From here, y is equal to 3. And from here, this is a quadratic equation. Let's solve this using quadratic general formula. And a quadratic general formula is given as y is equal to minus b plus or minus square root of b square minus 4ac over 2a, where a is equal to 1, b is equal to 4, c is equal to 13. Let's substitute. We have y is equal to minus 4 plus or minus square root of 4 square minus 4 multiplied by 1 multiplied by 13 over 2 multiplied by 1. Then t is equal to minus 4 plus or minus y is equal to minus 4 plus or minus square root of 4 square, 16 minus 4 times 1 times 13, that is 52, over 2 times 1, 2. Y is equal to minus 4 plus or minus square root of 16 minus 52, that is minus 36. But we know that square root of minus 1 is equal to I. Then y is equal to minus 4 plus or minus square root of 36 is 6. Then and square root of minus 1, that is I. We have 6I over 2. This is equal to 2 here 1, 2 here 2, 2 here 3, minus 2 plus or minus 3I. But this is a complex or imaginary solution. So the whole of this is rejected. The only real solution we have is y is equal to 3. But 2 raised to the power s is equal to y. Then 2 raised to the power s is equal to 3. Let's take the log of both sides. Log 2 raised to the power s is equal to log 3. Then s log 2 is equal to log 3. Let's divide both sides by log 2. Divided by log 2 divided by log 2. This will cancel this. S is equal to log 3 base 2. Or if you press your calculator, S is equal to 1.58496. This is also the final answer. Before you leave, like, share, comment, and subscribe. Bye-bye.